Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name's Diane. I garden here in the northeast of England. It's a beautiful September morning. So today I'm going to head up to one of my daughter's gardens. She has 3 children. She's a very busy mum, and we're going to try and get our garden, no, we are going to get our garden under control. So come and join me. This is the front aspect of Rachel and Peter's house. Very beautiful, very exposed. There's a big lake in amongst all those reeds there. And this is my helper for today. This is Cillian. Hi. This is my grandson. And the baby, he's fallen asleep, so we're up against the clock here, and we're going to see how much we get done whilst he's sleeping. Right, so this is what they inherited. It looked a lot smarter when they bought the house. So lots of little fir trees up here. As I say, I'm going to be very quick here because the baby's asleep and we've got to try and get as much done as possible, haven't we?
Yeah.
While the baby's asleep. Right, so I think that there's far too many fir trees in here. These ones are lovely. Ow, very spiky but lovely.
There's also a spider web in there.
Spider web, right. But these ones around here look quite dead. So I'm going to take every other fir tree out. The lavender along there is beautiful. That's gorgeous. But then we've got these very, well, I don't even know what they're called. But they're not child friendly. And they're dead. So we're going to take those 2 out, Killy, okay?
Yeah.
And then you can see there's loads of weeds there. There's
ants too.
Ants, right?
Yeah, I can see a few ants.
There's lots of weeds in between. Peter has cut the grass, but it could do with an edge. And then they've got these things over here which look dead in the middle, but there's something really nice behind it. So we're going to take this out as well, Killy, if we can. Okay?
Okay. So these two?
These 2, yeah.
Okay.
So let's get cracking. So I'll give you a quick once around the garden. So I haven't managed to get all of the little trees out this side, but I think this looks a whole lot better, and when he's running down the drive he's not going to proggle himself on those big spiky shrubs. And we've got some lovely little lavenders coming up there. I think I'll buy some little lavenders and put them in between these little fir trees. we've edged along under the lavender there, and then that corner just looks so much better. Right, so now we're in the back garden. So she's got a nice border of some type of conifer there, very overgrown with big thistles, huge weeds, loads of spiders are there. And then in this corner, when she moved in, was this beautiful tree. Oh gosh, look at all the spiders here. Oh my gosh. Right. There is a border in here, and this hydrangea and that red robin were all squished into that corner there. So I dug them out about 18 months ago. This border was fine.
So you dug them out like over a year ago?
Yeah. This is Ola. So I think the red robin's going to come out. This very prickly bush here is going to come out. Oh, there's another massive spider.
Imagine if that was a jumping spider and they just did one of those comic things. He's going to come out, the spiky shrub. That shrub there is going to come out because the baby keeps going to eat the black berries off it. We'll clean all the weeds up here. Mommy said there's a lot of big spiders around.
There are. And then underneath the slidey there, that needs a good trim back.
There's a spider over there as well. There's like a few spider webs over there.
Right, so we've had to wait until the very end of the day because although we're in September, it's supposed to get up to 30 odd degrees here in the northeast. Melting it is. Right, okay. We'll send Mummy into that corner with the spiders. Right, so Rachel has very bravely got rid of all the spiders we can see with this tennis racket and then swung them over the fence there. So we're going to get the lawnmower and just whiz along the front here so that we can try and see if we can see where the original border was. A little frog. So what Rachel's going to do is she's going to cut back a lot of this shrub so that we can see where the roots are, and we're not going to damage anything. So it's the next morning and Rachel and I have been working along all the conifers here in between, getting rid of spiders, getting rid of all the weeds. And what we think we're going to do is we're going to just chop the tops off the conifers and make them all sort of a uniform size. Because Rachel was saying you can very clearly see where the ones where the sun gets to it, so there, and then they're much shorter behind where the slidey is. So that looks a whole lot better. Obviously you can work away for hours and then someone cuts the grass for 5 minutes and gets all the credit. So this corner was completely overgrown. Beautiful little tree there. We don't know what it is. We've decided to leave the hydrangea, and then in the end Rachel just decided to dig everything out of this back border. Anybody who's been watching my videos will know I've got loads of soil that I've dug out of an area where I'm putting a greenhouse. So we're going to fill the area with nice loamy soil and then grass it so that when she mows the lawn she can just mow right up to the wall. Much lower maintenance. So what we have to do now is just go around these paving stones, just I say, that'll be a big job, and get rid of all these weeds.
So we've decided that we need to take them down obviously to the tallest point of the shortest tree where it's nice and bushy. So there. Beautiful.
And then they're all up to that bar. So
Right, up to that bar. Right, excellent. Put him back. The lady next door has a beautiful garden, doesn't she? I'd love an invite. If you're watching. Excellent, yeah, that's excellent, Rachel. Oh, Rachel, that looks lovely. What an improvement. Excellent. Right, I'm really wishing I had my hedge trimmers because you can see where the grass has been mowed around, the slidey and all the supports. And then it's just been left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to snip all my way around these supports so that Rachel can get in with the lawnmower, and that'll look a whole lot better. So I hope you can see, I think it's a vast improvement. All weeded. Baby's loving it too. Because having wild areas in your garden is all very well, but when you've got little ones, you don't want them surrounded by huge spiders. So it's a lovely warm day. I'm amazed that under there is still green. What dog? It's what?
Dark.
It's dark. It's not dark. Is that what you're saying?
Dark.
Dark. This area is all cleared out. I've got two nice shrubs and a tree. Do you want to come down? Out? Come on then. Nana. Oh, Nana, lift you down. There we go. There we go.
Rock.
It is a rock, isn't it? Big rock. This border is going to be all grassed over, so it'll be nice and soft for your feet. And what we've decided here is we're going to take all the pebbles out between the paving stones, and then just put grass seed down so she can just mow straight over the top of the paving stones, because there's no need to take them out. And that it'll all look like this. Yeah? Right, I think we need a cup of coffee now, don't we? You're going to wave bye-bye, Roy?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, sorry. What's an outing?
Put it in.
You should make a bloopers video of all the bloopers.